Hey, buddy. Up. Yeah, easy. What do you got there?
Easy, Sasha.
Okay. Back up, little man.
Is that the new puppy? Huh?
It's okay, girl.
It's Sasha.
Nice.
Used to be your best friend and your mentor.
It's okay.
What do you got there?
I know it's a big dog sniffing at you, but he's good.
Make sure you pet her too, so she knows.
See?
Scratch her ear or something.
Yeah, it's okay, babies.
It's okay.
Falcon meeting the baby for the first time.
He's wagging his tail. Seems like he's saying.
Yeah.
Sit.
She's like, I don't know about this thing.
Okay. Sit.
He's huge and he's in my
Sit.
face.
Good boy.
See how well he listens?
Yeah.
Sit. Good boy.
See how he sat?
Yeah. Hi, little girl. You are a cutie. You are a cutie. Ooh.
She's not shaking or anything, is she?
No.
Okay, good.
She was just growling and
Yeah.
getting close. Put her paw up. It's okay, girl.
Give her kisses. Give her kisses.
He's like, this is the one I've been smelling on them.
Yep, that's what that smell is.
See, Sasha? He's okay. He's okay.
So soft. Puppy soft.
It's weird because they all had different textures in their fur, and hers was one of the softest.
To give what part shepherd in there too, right? Yeah, I thought you said.
No.
Oh.
She just has the markings like a shepherd.
Delicious puppy.
They're
so tough.
supposedly lab retriever border collie mix.
He's okay. Alka's like, what? I'm just standing there. Why is she mad?
Yeah. You're a good boy.
Okay, you should probably bring her in your room now.
That's enough.
Yeah, you get to see her again later,
That's
buddy.
enough for now.
Yeah, she just got here.
Mwah.
Huh. Oh, look at that. Safe in Elsa's arm.
They didn't remove her dew claws.
Nah.
Bye-bye.